Processifier Process Mining stands as a robust Power BI visual, facilitating the seamless creation of process graphs from your dataset. Within the visual interface, users can efficiently zoom in and out, exercising control over nodes and edges while opting for varied duration and frequency statistics. Effortlessly monitor key metrics, such as the average waiting time between activities, or delve into the median or maximum values. Experience dynamic changes in visualization as you switch between displayed statistics, witness the real-time adjustment of graph coloring and connection thickness. For a more detailed inspection of a specific node, leverage the tooltip feature, providing comprehensive statistics for a particular activity. Refine your analysis by narrowing it down to a specific time frame. Seamlessly integrate Processifier Process Mining with standard Power BI components, allowing for precise analysis and filtering of events, activities, cases, and variants.